Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then go to the reset and select the last option, factory data reset. Then tap on reset phone and then confirm the whole operation by tapping on erase everything. After that, your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.